All right, today's video is going to be short, sweet, and straight to the point. I want to recognize my top 5 team leaders over at LiveGood. I'm telling you, it's such an exciting business. And for me, it's 10 times more exciting when I have people who are, working like me and having fun just like me. So, first off, we are going to highlight Mr. Gary Pfister. All right, Gary is like so close. He's so close to gold. And so I don't have all of the pages up today, but the special thing about Gary, he does not do YouTube videos. He does not have Instagram. He only has a Facebook that's still private. So he is almost about to hit gold with just friends, family, business connections, and signing up the right people who are working really hard for him. All right. So, well, we're all working for each other, but that's the beauty about teamwork. So next, we are going to highlight Jovial St. Fard. Okay. Now, just hit bronze, okay, but quickly approaching gold, okay. And as you can see, these are all the members, okay, that I've signed up over at LiveGood. So, but I wanted you to see some of the people who are really kicking butt, so that maybe it'll get you motivated, okay. There's Maria Brazil and Marvin Duke. They're also bronze. And again, to become bronze, all it takes are 2 people, y'all. We all know 2 people who want to make some extra money. Okay. And let me tell you, if y'all don't know that people are, everybody is looking for extra money right now. I promise you. And I know people think it's hard to get me on the phone, but I be on the phone. I be on the phone. I take calls. And so I'm hearing from people who's working a 9 to 5 has, a few people got 2 full-time jobs, y'all. And I'm like, no, do not get another job. LiveGood is where it's at. Okay. So again, now Mr. Calvin Muhammad. All right. This is Coach Cam. Now I highlighted him last week, I want to say, because he has not even been on our team and a member of LiveGood for 30 days yet, and he's about to be gold. He is kicking butt and taking names later, okay. So definitely one of my top 5 members there. Mr. John Archberger, definitely a top 5. He's about to be gold, and he hasn't been a member but about maybe 2 weeks now. So who else we got here? Did I mention? I got Miss Itrulia Lee. That is who I was almost about to forget, but I cannot forget her. All right. Literally, she found me on YouTube. She signed up right away. She reached out to me the same day. She was familiar with this type of business. And so, she wanted to be aligned with a like-minded individuals. She wanted to be on a specific team. So, hey, these are my top 5. I am just so happy to have such great teammates helping me to get the word out about LiveGood, because there is no better time than right now to get involved into something new, something innovative, and to just make a difference in your in your bank account and in your family. So again, just thanks to all of the wonderful teammates who are just really hitting the ground running and asking questions later. And so I am so excited. And if you haven't joined LiveGood yet and you want to, I will put that link below. I will put my link below. Just click on it. Secure your position by entering your name and your email address. And yeah, LiveGood is only $49 to start, and then $9.95 a month. And yes, this is the business where you can make $2,047 per month without recruiting anyone. All right. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Katina Willis. See you on the next video. Take care.